Okay, Jamal, let's talk about 12 SSB. 12 SSB Bangalore. Uh, as far as my experience is concerned, I got screened in three times on the board, and the board is very familiar to me. And fooding, lodging, everything is perfect. The only thing is you should know the procedure how to get screened in. And once you get in Bangalore, you will appreciate the weather, right? The weather is awesome, but let's not discuss about the weather and the this how the fooding and lodging is. What you really need to care about here when you go to Bangalore is your documentation. If you're just make sure that your documentation is up to date, whatever they are demanding at that time, especially during the COVID times, whatever the documents are needed, just make sure you are ready with the documents. All your documents is perfect. And as far as the board is concerned, it's very lenient board. It's very nice board. If you know the actual procedure how to get screened in, for you 12 SSB, I would say that's really a nice board. I was screened in three times, and the interview, the vice president was like, when I got screened in third time, in third time from that board, this vice president was like, you remember I took your, he remembers my face. He told me that, you remember I took your interview in your second attempt. How did you prepare for this time? How you are prepared for this time? So he was like that, and you don't have to do any extra preparation for going to that board. You just need to aware yourself, just be confident. Whatever story comes up, write a good story and narrate it confidently. And well, SSB, you have the, if I'm not wrong, the reporting is at 2 o'clock, right? 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't know what thing their plannings are there during the COVID times. You just have to verify from someone else. But as far as this board is concerned, this is excellent board. This is very nice board. This is very lenient board. I still remember when we guys were preparing for in coaching institute, we guys were preparing for SSB, and many of you guys, many of the guys, not many of the guys, three of them actually, three of them got interview in Bangalore, and at that time I got for SSB I got this Allahabad board. So those three guys who went to Bangalore board, we were preparing from that coaching institute from where we were preparing. Two of them got screened in and one got screened out. And out of that two, one got recommended in his first attempt. So for a freshie, that's really nice board. That's really lenient board, I would say. And in my screening process, in my first attempt, only out of 19, when 19 was selected, we 19 was selected, and one got recommended from this 12 SSB Bangalore. In my second attempt, 5 got recommended, and in my third attempt, 4 of them got recommended. So recommendation ratio is very high from 12 SSB Bangalore. See, if you have that ability, you have that determination, you have that in you, definitely you are going to make it, and nobody is going to stop you. And 12 SSB by far it's very best board. It's very nice board. You don't have to worry about anything. You have this separate fooding, lodging, accommodation, everything is perfect. Just be thorough in your attempts. Just whatever story comes up, just narrate it very confidently and do your best. Thank you.